These are Liftronic Unitronics at PA Hospital, Busway station.
Going up. Doors opening. 3rd floor. Doors closing. Please mind the doors. Going down.
These used to have automatic doors, been replaced with AMD last year, I'm pretty sure. Has flashing buttons.
Doors opening. 1st floor.
Has the Newlift matrix indicator, which looks very similar to Nova Elements one. Here it is. Yep, AMD.
Doors closing. Please mind the doors. Going up.
We're going to do the other one now. 1425 kilograms, 19 persons. Lift install 2009, these, apparently.
Doors opening. 3rd floor.
Here's the other one. The logic cabinet. Big chassis. This one levels a lot better than the other one.
Going down. Doors closing. Please mind the doors. Going down.
Okay then.
Doors opening. 1st floor.
I'm just going to ignore that.
Going up. Doors closing. Please mind the doors. Going up. Doors opening. 2nd floor.